My dad sent me this picture, okay, and this was me when I was like 9, 10 years old. So I was just doing my work and I casually opened it, and for no reason, I zoomed it. And again, chumma, for no reason, I opened my front camera. Why do I look the same? The same tiny mustache, the same facial hair, the same level of body hair. The direction is also the same. And these were the things I used to be so insecure of, but still, why do I look the same? I thought we grew pretty. Okay, as soon as I saw that picture, it was so funny to me, okay? But then I just realized something and I thought I'll chuma share it here. On a serious note, maybe I did grow prettier. I think just not in the way I thought beauty worked. I'll explain. I think somewhere between growing up, trying to survive, chasing dreams, and wanting more for ourselves, we stop thinking about all of this. Not fully maybe, but 100 times lesser, or at least 10 times lesser. And now if I wonder how did that transition happen, I don't think we consciously sat and healed those insecurities, or I don't think I woke up one day and decided I'm beautiful now. I think life taught us. I think experiences taught us. Because again and again, life kept proving to me that whatever stayed was never about how I looked. Looks might be the first thing, I get it. But if I look back and think what stayed in my life or the lives of people I've looked up to, it's always been the skills, the work, the energy, and what I bring to the table. And when life starts rewarding you for all of that, which might take a long time, something shifts inside you. Your mind gets so busy building a life, so focused on evolving, that we might forget to obsess over things that once felt like everything. Because this girl in the picture, she used to hate being in front of the camera. That's why she loved being behind it. But right now it's the opposite. Because I believe I've entered rooms, I've had conversations, I've lived experiences I once thought were impossible, and none of those happened because of how I looked, rather happened because of who I became. I don't know if it's the right perspective to look at this thing, but yeah, let me know. And honestly, I used to always say, I hope 13-year-old Deepu is proud of me, 14-year-old Deepu is proud of me and all that. But now I just want to say that I'm so freaking proud of her, the 10-year-old Deepu, for carrying those insecurities and still moving forward and for working on herself. I thought she worked on her looks too, but not one bit despite trying. But yeah, as a human, her heart, her skill, her strength, her purpose, it makes her look beautiful. Maybe not to the world, but to herself. I am beautiful.